Relaxation. Lie down in a quiet, dark room. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Clear your mind from all distractions. Visualization. Imagine yourself floating above your body. Feel the energy in your body and focus on the sensation of rising. Vibrational sensation. Many people feel vibrations or tingling as the astral body prepares to separate. Stay calm and do not resist these sensations. Separation. Gently imagine lifting out of your body. Picture yourself floating upwards or rolling out. Focus on calmness and let the experience unfold naturally. Safety and mindset. Keep a positive mindset. Never try astral travel when tired or stressed. Stay relaxed and remember you are always connected to your body. Patience and practice. Astral travel takes practice. With patience and focus, anyone can explore this fascinating experience. Thank you for watching.